know there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star.
Hi, hello. Today I have a autumn inspired eye look. It's quite dark and orangey, warm tones, and it's just all matte. The winged eyeliner is so nice. I loved creating it. So if you want to see more looks like this from me, then make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. That would be great. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoy makeup tutorials. I do a lot of them on my channel, and also like fashion-y bits thrown in when I can. Yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, I'm starting with the eyes. Today I have, like I said in the intro, I got a autumn inspired look. I look very plain right now. I've slicked my hair back quite tight. Hopefully it looks a little bit better than what it normally does. I'm going to be doing an autumn look using the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Fever palette. It's just a really nice palette which has really nice autumny shades in there, so I thought that would be really nice to use. So yeah, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, just a little bit, you know. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a wing. I'm going to be doing like a backwards kind of look, if you get what I mean. But anyway, I'm going to put some tape on the outer corner, just using regular sellotape, like so. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking the eye base. I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C0.5, which I normally use. So I'm just going to underline my eyebrows first.
So don't be mad at me. Infiltrate with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah.
Then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and blend this out. Okay, so because I want the brown to stand out a little bit more, I did do this look without the cream brown base and it didn't look as vibrant as I wanted it to. So I'm going to take the Colourpop. I don't have a normal like pomade, like a cream base, so I got the Colourpop brow pomade in Bayern Brunette. I'm just going to use this. It's just a nice warm brown, so I'm going to take this on my finger. I haven't got any nails on today, so I can use my fingers.
I said I'm moving too far.
I like my background. I know I'm using my laptop as the background image, but I think it looks cute. Normally people use their actual like Mac computers, but I don't have one of them because they are hella expensive. Okay, so now I'm going to take the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take the darkest matte brown in the palette. On the Morphe M322 brush, I'm just going to start packing that shade on where we placed the cream base. I know Revolution Pro has nice colourful eye bases, the cream pomades, so I need to check them out. Then once I've packed that brown on, I go in with this warm tone brown here on the Morphe M151 brush, and I'm just going to put that slightly above where we put that dark brown, just so they merge together.
Time to show 'em who's in charge.
Then on the same brush, I'm going to go in with the orange shade to add a bit of colour to the look. And again, I'm just placing that slightly above that warm brown shade. That is the lid eyeshadow done. Now I'm going to not cut the crease, but cut the eyeliner. So I'm going to use the concealer we used to prime the eyelids and using a really detailed, accurate brush.
I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star.
The best with winged eyeliner, but I think I'm getting better. But this is half the reason why I put the tape. So that was the longest bit done. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is go from light to dark. So I'm going to go orange, then the warm tone brown, then the dark brown. So first I'm going to take the orange shade. I'm just going to be using the same brush for all of this part. I'm going to be using the Morphe M151 brush, which we used for the lighter shades. So I'm starting off with the orange in the inner part of the liner. Then I'm going in with the warm tone brown.
Shoot.
And then last but not least, I'm going to take the dark brown retook and really get this really dark on the outer part of the eye. Okay, so that is the winged eyeliner done. It was pretty simple. The only thing that is quite difficult is the carving the winged eyeliner out, because you've got to get it, like, you know, accurate. Anyway, let's take this tape off gently. Much prefer this side to that eye. It's nice, like, thickness. Before I go on to the face, I'm going to do a little bit of highlight under my brow bone. I'm going to take the shimmery lightest shade in the palette on the Morphe E36 brush and go slightly under the brow with this shade. Nothing too harsh. And then I'm going to curl my eyelashes and add mascara, just using the L'Oreal Miss Baby Roll. Okay, so now I'm going to apply eyelashes. I'm taking the Eden lashes, which I've mentioned quite a few times in my videos. They are a Instagram brand, I believe, but I found them on Instagram, and I will link them down below, of course. I'm using the style EO2. They are just gorgeous. So I'm just going to apply these lashes and I'll be back with the face. Okay, so I've done the rest of the eyes. I've just applied the mascara and lashes. So now I'm going to do the face. So for primer today, I'm taking the Barry M Unicorn Primer Drops, which I have been loving lately. They really hydrate my skin and keep it nice and flawless. So I'm just going to do a few drops on my face. One thing I don't like about this, it smells like Calpol cough medicine.
Didn't even get to cross.
Okay, so I blended that out using the Morphe M427 brush. It's just a dual fibre brush. I don't like getting like oil based products on my hands. It just lingers and I don't like it. So I just blend it out with this. It feels nice and tacky. It feels nice and moisturising, which I love. Okay, so now I'm going to do foundation. Today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Nude Ivory. It is quite a cool tone shade, but we'll deal with that with the bronzer and stuff. It just looks like this. Really nice foundation, and I like that it comes with this applicator. I'm going to apply that much so far and blend it out with a sponge. You me.
We on, hating because you want, shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon, shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out.
So I'm going to apply a little bit more. This foundation has a weird scent to it. I'm not sure what I'm thinking about that. So then for concealer, I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade light 10. I feel like I haven't used this concealer in a while. Okay, so that's the shade I need. Hopefully it'll give me some warmth to my face. Seems this foundation's too... It's a weird shade for me. Just blending that out with a sponge.
Yeah, shooting shots.
Okay, so then next for powder, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier powder. And I'm just going to use a brush to buff this into the under eyes. I'm sorry about the drilling, they've literally just started. And I'm just going to place that under the eye area. On my smile line, on my nose. Then I'm going to take a big brush and just dip this in and just go all around the face. For bronzer today, I'm going to take the L'Oreal. Really, when I talk, this video was going so well. Okay, so for bronzer today, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer. It's quite a cool tone bronzer, so I'm going to contour first. Reminds me of the Hoola bronzer, just a little bit darker and cooler. Oh baby. Okay, so that's the bronzer. Next I'm going to go in with blush. I'm taking the NYX HD blush in the shade Pink the Town, which is a nice kind of pinky, peachy shade. Okay, so now I'm going to spritz my face with the I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray. This is the vanilla and coconut scent, which smells amazing, by the way. And then for highlight, I'm going to go with something different for a change. I'm going to go back to the old roots and go with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. It's just a really nice highlight, to be honest. It's not too much, it's not too of nothing. So now I'm going to quickly go back onto the eyes. So I'm going to I need to take some more eyelash glue. That's what I need to bloody take. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with the orange shade. And I'm just going to go right under and smoke that out.
I said I'm moving too far.
Then I'm going to take the dark brown and just go on the outer part to connect the liner. Then I'm going to take the light shimmer shade in the palette and pack that on into the inner corner. So to help with the eyelashes not showing the lash band, I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner pencil and go in the upper waterline. Okay, so then in the lower waterline, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Get Paid. It's like a bronzy colour, so it is like a metallic shade. So don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. Okay, so then I'm just going to go in with lower lash mascara. Okay, so all we have left is eyebrows. I completely forgot about my eyebrows. Right, I'm going to go do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so eyebrows are on, finally. I did the technique that Mitchell does, and he carves out the eyebrows before with concealer, he carves the eyebrows out with concealer before doing the eyebrows, which I thought was quite handy actually. So I'm going to be doing that quite a lot again. Okay, so I've wiped off the foundation off my lips and I'm going to do lips. So for lip liner, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade Bow and Arrow. So then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stripped. It's a really nice nude, warm nude shade.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
gonna wait for this to dry. Then I want a glossy lip because the eyes are already so matte, so I want to gloss up my lips using the e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. It's just a nice champagne glittery gloss. Okay, so I absolutely love this look. It's very autumny or fall inspired. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this creative kind of look. If you want to see more autumn, Christmassy looks from me, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed makeup tutorials. I do a lot of them on my channel. And also, if you want to see like photos of the look, then go check my Instagram out. I will link it down below. I really hope you enjoyed. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Didn't even get to